Welcome to everyone. Today in this video we will discuss how to fix battery drain on Samsung A04S. Let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, so first of all go to app library, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down to and click on general management, click on reset and click on reset factory settings. Click on reset, enter phone pin, click on continue. Again click on this delete all. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, so restart device, just click and hold side power button and click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon. You will see your phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, go to app library, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on battery. So check battery draining apps. After check battery draining apps, go back to home screen. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.